So what you're looking at right here is XRP on the daily time frame. I'm using the line chart instead of the candlesticks because this basically cuts out all the noise and all the wicks, and it gives you a way better overview of what is currently going on here for XRP. So the price of XRP has been going sideways since, what is it, the 16th or 17th of January. We have been trading within this pattern. We have this downward sloping resistance, multiple touch points here on the line chart, and we have this upward sloping support, also multiple touch points. Now what you can see right now is that XRP is attempting a potential breakout. We are currently trading against resistance. Now if we see a break, and let me give you the exact level here for XRP, guys. Let me actually draw out a trend line for you so that you know the exact level to watch here for a potential breakout. If XRP closes with a daily candle above $2.32, if that happens, then we have a confirmed breakout here for XRP. Once again, guys, I need to see a daily close, not intraday volatility here, a real daily close. And the second requirement that I have over here is actually on the bottom side of the screen, where you can see the volume for XRP, which has been going lower significantly in the past few months. So what I need to see here for XRP is a volume spike together with the breakout outside of this pattern above $2.32. Only if I see that, then we have a confirmed breakout for XRP, and I'm going to give you the price targets in a minute. But these are the requirements here for the breakout. If we go back to October, November last year, we basically had the same thing. We had a downward sloping resistance with some touch points, a fake out in the middle, just like we saw here, actually this point here. And we also had this upward sloping support line with, I think, 3 touch points so far, and XRP broke out eventually on the 6th of November. But what is interesting on the lower side of the screen was actually this significant volume spike, and that is exactly what I'm looking for on the right hand side in case we do see a breakout for XRP. So guys, these are the levels to watch. Let me now give you the exact price targets that I'm looking out for here for XRP, and for this I need to go back to the candlesticks, and I'm going to use the trend-based Fibonacci extension tool to come up with some price targets here for XRP outside of this pattern. So I'm going to take this entire, and it's pretty hard to do on the phone, I'm going to take this entire length of this impulsive move, and I'm going to place this trend line at the lowest point, and let's make this black, or what is it, red. And here you can see all the relevant price targets for XRP. Now the first target, if we do see that breakout, is somewhere around the $5 for XRP, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci level. That is the first major area to potentially take some profits off the table. Of course, not financial advice, that is what I am doing. The 1-to-1 ratio is around $10 or $11 for XRP. Then we also have $22 and $35 eventually, somewhere in these regions. But what I always suggest, and of course not financial advice, is once again to lock in the profits on the way up, because there are no guarantees that XRP is going to go higher to all of these insane price targets to the upside. But the first one to watch is around the $5 zone for XRP.